Photodiodes. So the photodiodes works on reverse bias. When the p-type is connected to negative terminal and the n-type is connected to positive terminal, means what will happen? The junction region will be increased. When the light will falls on this junction region, what will happen means the electron hole pairs are generated at this junction due to the breaking of covalent bonds in this region. So there will be a covalent bonds between the silicon atoms or any semiconductor atoms inside the semiconductor. So what will happen? The weakly covalent bonds will be breaks when the incident photon light energy is more than sufficient to break this covalent bond. Then what will happen? Electron hole pairs are created at this junction by the absorption of photon. So then this generated electron hole pairs the electrons will move towards the n-type and the holes will move towards the p-type. Electron hole pairs are created, then electrons are moved towards the n-type and the holes are moved towards the p-type. Hence what will happen? The current flows in this circuit. So in reverse bias photodiode, when the intensity of the incident light photon will be increased, means the photo current is also increased. So here it is shows that. So this is intensity 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the intensity increases, the reverse current is also increased. So that is shown in this graph. This is the VI characteristics of PN junction diode. So the PN junction photodiode. This photodiode is used for detecting the optical signals. So this is used to find the optical signals. Whenever the light signals are coming, if you insert the photodiode, what will happen? That incident signal will falls on the PN junction diode, that is a reverse bias diode. The current will flows. Whenever the current flows, we can identify there will be a light falls on this diode. So the diode symbol is as usual the PN junction diode symbol. For light emitting diode, we are putting the light like this. For this is a photodiode symbol. So memorize all the symbols very clearly. It may be asked in one more question. So photodiode works on reverse bias. When the reverse bias is applied, the depletion layer increases. At this time, when the sufficient amount of the photons are incident on this reverse bias junction region, the electron hole pairs are generated. These electrons are moved towards the n-type and holes are moved towards the p-type, means hence the current flows. The very important thing is when the intensity increases, photo current is also increases. These photodiodes are used to detect the photo signals. Solar cells. It is a junction diode which converts the solar energy into electricity, and it is based on the photovoltaic effect. That means generation of the voltage due to the bombardment of the light photons. So that is clearly picturized in this picture. So there is a p-type and the n-type junction diode. When the light will falls on this junction region, what will happen? Three processes will take place: generation, separation and collection. First one is generation, means electron hole pairs are created due to the excitation of the electrons in the valence band to the conduction band. So the electrons in the valence band will be jumped to the conduction band when the sufficient amount of the electrical, that is a light energy, will be equal to the band gap between the valence band and conduction band. So there will be a gap between the valence band and conduction band, that is called as an energy band gap. So if the incident light energy is more than sufficient or equal to or greater than the energy band gap between the valence band and conduction band, the electrons will jump from valence band to conduction band. Then it is called as excitation take place. Then the electron hole pairs are created. Then this generated electron hole pairs are separated by the process of electrons moves towards the n-type and the holes moves towards the p-type of the semiconductor. That means the electric field created, that is the voltage developed. That is a separation of the charges is called as a field. Then what will happen? Collection. These electrons and holes in the n-type and p-type are collected by the metal contacts, and it will be flows through the external load that it is stored as a voltage, and it will be flows as a current. So generation, separation and collection. Generation of the electron hole pairs, separation of the electron and hole, and the collection of the electrons and holes in the external circuit is the process of solar cell. So this is the VI characteristics of solar cell. This is the VOC is the voltage of the open circuit voltage, and ISC is a short circuit current. This is a short circuit current. This is a open circuit voltage. So very simple construction and working. So these solar cells are now we are using in the even the photoelectric effect is based on this solar cells. So solar cell is a basics or the best application for photoelectric effect.